Teacher. Once again, I'm the blogger behind thepublicschoolteacher.com, and what I'm going to show you this in this video is how to make convert your lesson to hindi naman convert but make your lesson interactive through Google Expeditions po. Or basically, create some sort of virtual reality po for your lesson. So, yung virtual reality po and Google Expeditions, hindi naman po siya kailangan na you're teaching science or STEM subjects. STEM subjects po. So, for example, in my case, I'm an English teacher. So, pwede ko po siyang gamitin as supplementary material or learning aid. So, for example, I have here sa learners materials po namin, meron po ditong poem na entitled We Are One World by Mish Goldish. And then, dito po, merong mga, sa poem po, merong mga places like Canada, Spain, Norway, Peru, merong Egypt, Japan, USA, Chad. And then, mas maganda po, gusto ko po na i-integrate yung places, geography, a little bit of geography in this lesson. So, I can use Google Expeditions po. How to do it? There is what we call Google Tour Creator. You can actually access it via this link, arvr.google.com/tourcreator. Now, if you're going to use it, you use your personal Gmail account so you can access the site and then the app later on. So once you already have this screen, you just click get started and you will be directed to this page. There are only two choices, new tour and templates. So new tour this is where you are going to create your own tours, while templates are ready to made templates where you can edit or lagyan nyo po siya ng personal touch nyo po or ganun po. So dito meron pa akong ginawa, yung title po niya is We Are One World. Same po dun sa poem na yung reference po natin. So, if I click this one, ito po siya yung lalabas. Meron na po akong ginawa. And, I have here 8 screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what you're going to do is simply add a screen. Yan. I add a scene po. Once mag-add ka po ng scene, meron po siyang 2 options, street view or upload. If you click street view po, just make sure that you have a very good internet connection para mag-load po yung image dito, yung 360 degrees image. But if not, you can actually upload your own 360 degrees or 180 degrees image. Pwede ka pong mag-picture using your phone, or if not, you can actually use Google search. You just type in 360 image of halimbawa Canada. Yan. And then there you go. Click niyo po yung image and marami po yan siyang option. You just save it on your computer, and then upload. Yan. So cancel lang po natin. And then after that, pag meron ka na pong scene, ito po yung example na lalabas. I'm sorry if the image is hindi siya clear because, this one, like this one. Diba? Very clear naman siya. And then you just type in your title and then the location, description. Again, the description that I used is from the poem na reference po natin. And then the credit nung the source of your image. And then you can also add an audio if you want na meron siyang background music, or you can add a scene narration if you want to say something about the scene. Yun. It's very, very nice. Tapos, if you're done with all the scenes, creating the scenes, you just click publish. Okay. Now, how do you view this one? Of course, you are going to use your phone. it's best used to use Android phone. Now, I am going to show you the phone of my screen dyan po sa laptop ko so you can see it. Gamitin nyo lang po yung screen mirroring nyo po. Yan. So, i-connect ko na yung Android phone ko to the laptop. Yan. So, meron na po yan. So, what you see now is a screen of my Android phone. And then, meron po dyan logo na Expeditions. So, where do you get that? You just go to Play Store and then just key in Google Expeditions and then install nyo lang po siya. So, once you click Google Expeditions, sorry po. Bakit po siya nag-stop? Okay, once you click po Google Expedition, ito po yung lalabas niya. Meron po siyang downloads and my tours. Make sure lang po na yung sinign in nyo na Google account is the one that you used in creating your tour creator. Creating tours using the tour creator. Dapat pareho po siya para makita nyo po yung tours ninyo dito. Okay? So, once you click my tours, lalabas po yung We Are One World, which is yung ginawa natin kanina sa tour creator. So, balikan po natin. And then, if you click that one, ayan po siya, lalabas siya. Then, there are two options, either to view or view in VR. So, if meron ka po yung Google Glasses, you can view it in VR, but if not, you can just select view. Ayan, ganyan na po yung lalabas. So, Pierre lives in Canada. Yun yung sentence na nasa poem. Sorry po if the image is not clear, hindi po gaano maganda yung internet connection ko. Yan, di ba? So, it's very nice and then you can tell your students that this is actually how Canada looks like. And then this one, yan, Marla lives in Spain. This one, Eve lives in Norway. This one, Ramon is in Peru. Anwar is an Egyptian. So you can actually say, this is how Egypt looks like. Yan. O, diba? Jack is from USA. So, yun po. Again, you can actually use these kinds of apps in any subject that you're teaching. It's really up to your creativity now. So, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.